Hey, Warrior Time, Mrs. Loy here. I just wanted to jump on and respond to today's Warrior workout. So, after watching the video and checking out the Sources of Strength wheel, I would say that I actually have two categories that I'm really kind of leaning on during this time of quarantine. So, I'm really finding myself focusing on spirituality and focusing on my mental health. So, as far as my spirituality, this is Easter week. And so, in the Christian faith, my husband and I are actually reading through the Easter story in the Bible every evening. We're reading through that and we're kind of talking about the things that we believe God is calling us to at this time. So, while we're going through this, what is helping us really serve our purpose during this time. So we're really leaning into our spirituality. And then mental health, I'm really taking this time to try to find kind of a new normal, like a new balance of how do I balance work? How do I balance being a teacher? How do I balance my activities, my wanting to be involved in fitness? How do I manage my relationships with my friends? And so, as far as mental health right now, I'm really leaning in to my relationships with people outside of school, finding times to do Zooms. For like coffee Zooms with my friends and just connect with them and really trying to set a definitive time to be done working for the day, because now that I'm working remotely, I could sit at my laptop all night and answer all of your questions, and that would be fine, but honestly, it's not healthy. It's always good to find some time to unplug. So for me, spirituality and mental health have been really big during this time of quarantine. And then the other question is, what am I thankful for? And I would say that I'm definitely thankful for um, probably my ability to stay active. So my husband and I uh, have made an investment in some home workout equipment so that I can continue to stay active while working at home. And I would say the other thing I'm really thankful for is like the past 3 days. Well, today is day four, that we've had sunshine. So I'm really thankful for sunshine and I'm really thankful for my ability to stay active. So I can't wait to hear what you guys are leaning on during this time and what you guys are thankful for as we are heading towards the end of week 3 of our remote learning. So have a great day, you guys. See you soon. Bye.